Broadhurst is actually a unique firm in the Cayman Islands, as our primary focus is on the conduct and management of contentious disputes. That's not to say we don't have a very able corporate partner in Ben sitting next to me here, but we mainly focus on dispute resolution. Why that is important, I think, is that when clients do come to us, they can feel confident that we have the necessary expertise in a wide range of different areas of the law, spanning from sanction enforcement to trust and estate disputes to a heavy focus on insolvency and everything in between. So while I kind of hate to use the expression one-stop shop, we are effectively, when it comes to dispute resolution in the Cayman Islands, a one-stop shop, and clients can feel confident.
So our clientele, it comes from the full range of clients internationally. I mean, from my side of the business, of course, because I'm the person putting on a lot of the transactional work or bringing together a lot of the structuring of clients. My clients will be, a lot of banking institutions, multinational firms, and from the private client side, we'll have families, family offices from throughout the world, all continents around the world. So it may vary slightly from the litigation side in terms of where the clients are from, but and quite often our clients are using what are called exempted companies in the Cayman Islands. And by definition, that means that the majority of the business for those companies is conducted outside of the Cayman Islands. So just by way of that definition, you can understand that clients will be coming from all directions. Where the clients come from quite often will dictate where we're seeking co-counsel from or further professionals from. In cases of investment, for example, if we're talking about fund structures, a lot of times that'll be clients coming from Europe, from Asia, setting up fund structures in Cayman. The commercial financing that we do will quite often come from the UK or from other European countries as well. Quite often for private client structures, trust-related activity or foundation-related activity, our clients will come from Asia and from, in many cases, from South America as well.
No, definitely. We've been quite fortunate to work with a number of our global members over the years, and they've all been extremely successful collaborations. Right now, we're currently working with a member from Los Angeles, and that relationship, came out of the Boston conference last year. And to date, that has been a very successful collaboration, and we hope to continue that kind of work into the future. Obviously working with members to assist them, but obviously trying to be their point of call in the Cayman Islands. So coming to New Orleans this year, very excited because obviously we had a great time in Boston. It was our first conference last year. I got to meet a wide variety of different people who all seem to be here in New Orleans as well. So in that respect, it's a great opportunity to see them, to get kind of a finger on the pulse to see how their practice areas are going, what's going on in their jurisdictions. But also, there are a lot of new faces here this year as well. So it's been fortunate for us to meet these people who practice in jurisdictions in which we may not have a lot to deal with now, but to have them forefront of mind when we do have something pop up, for example, with a connection to Kentucky or a connection to Argentina or something along those lines. So while, there are probably a lot of people here that you wouldn't think that you would work with because of the jurisdictions in which they practice, you never know. And it is often the case sometimes, something does come up, and they have a tenuous link to a certain jurisdiction. And as I said previously, it's just a great opportunity to be able to pick up the phone and speak to someone who you know and trust, and not have to waste time trying to find practitioners and deal with people who you've never dealt with before and whom the client can't have, that faith in because you don't know them, you've never dealt with them.